Hi, Doc. Gusto ko talaga kasi ma-achieve yung sinasabi nilang Korean glass skin. Possible ba talagang magawa yun sa skin natin? Ano ba yung mga pwede kong gawin para ma-achieve?
Well, unang-una, no, genetics talaga yan. No? So, may mga tao talagang kahit walang effort, glass skin talaga sila. Okay? Pero, kaya natin yan magawan ng paraan with science. No? Kaya nga nandito kami mga dermatologist. So, paano ba ma-achieve yung glass skin? Una, kailangan may maayos kang skincare, no? Lalo na kung hindi ka genetically blessed with great skin, like me, no? Hindi talaga maganda yung skin ko kung hindi ko alagaan. Kailangan mo magtanong sa derma mo or we can give you tailored fit skincare routine na susundin mo, no? So, your skincare, hindi siya instant, hindi siya magic, no? But when you maintain it for a long time, yung effect niya, cumulative, ibig sabihin, naiipon siya ng naiipon, gumaganda yung skin. So, skincare talaga, very important. Pangalawa, for procedures, of course, no, kailangan talaga may procedure. For me, sa mga procedures na in-offer ko, ang pinaka talagang fresh or glass skin, yung mga protocol namin, no. So, it was actually, or I designed it for acne scars, no. But I do have some patients na wala namang acne scars, gusto lang kuminis or mag-glass skin. So, yung protocols namin that involves multiple procedures. So, alam niyo naman, mas maraming procedure, mas effective talaga, no? Yan na yung uso ngayon. So, we do chemical peel, CO2 laser, PRP microneedling, sometimes with Reduran, no? So, sa isang upuan yan, gagawin natin lahat. It's, for me, the more you do in one sitting, the more effective it becomes, no? So, talking about Reduran, kung ayaw mo ng downtime, kasi alam niyo naman yung mga protocols natin, magbabalat ka talaga for around 5 to 7 days, we can do the Reduran. It's very, very effective for glass skin na nakaka-fresh siya. It induces collagen, nakaka-brighten siya ng skin. So, yun ang marirecommend ko na injectable na wala masyadong downtime. Actually, wala talaga siyang downtime.
Ilang sessions, Doc, for those procedures that you mentioned para ma-achieve yung glass skin? O talagang tuloy-tuloy siya to maintain?
So, glass skin is a lifelong commitment, guys. So, if you want lifelong glass skin, then kailangan mo rin ng lifelong visits to your derma na and yung mga skincare na ibibigay natin, kailangan talaga consistently mo siya gagawin. Okay, so di siya yung parang, ay, tapos na yung 2 or 3 sessions, okay ka na for life. No. If you don't maintain it, remember, with any skincare procedure, pag di mo siya na-maintain, unfortunately, talagang mag-reverse yung skin mo back to its original state.
About sa laser, Doc, meron din ba kayong laser na pwedeng magpapag-fresh na mukhang glass skin and glowing? Let's say may special